Swallowing a dry spoonful of sugar can stop hiccups faster than holding your breath or drinking water. Scientists have found that the rough, grainy texture of sugar granules actually interferes with the nerves responsible for your hiccup reflex. When you swallow the sugar dry, it triggers a sudden overload of sensory input in your mouth and throat, effectively resetting the nerve signals that are causing your diaphragm to spasm. This interruption is often enough to halt hiccups instantly, no water or upside-down tricks required. Most people reach for water or try to scare themselves out of hiccups, but this sweet hack is backed by real research. It's all about the texture, not the taste, which makes the sugar method stand out from other home remedies. So next time you're stuck hiccuping in public, skip the awkward breath holding and grab a spoonful of sugar. Your hiccups could be gone before your friends even notice.